So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Small Town Gardening, and today we're gonna talk about the plant which is Adenium or desert rose. It is an ornamental succulent garden plant that is known for its swollen or caudex trunk. It can store moisture in its swollen trunk to use at times of drought. A desert rose bears a resemblance to a bonsai plant. Furthermore, it has a combination of pink, red and white flowers. Mine, you could say it is a pink and white combination. So the common question comes, how do you take care of a desert rose plant? During the spring and summer season, try to keep the soil moist to a moderate level. Give less water during fall and winter or when you notice the plant is in dormant period. You can also fertilize with a 20-20 plant food dilution, only half of it per month, at times when the plant shows active growth. However, avoid feeding it during the winter season. So a question like, can you plant a desert rose in the ground? Yes, sure, but during the winters you couldn't move the plant, so it could just die over there. So it's better to put it in the pot. It can be planted outdoors, but they love bright sunlight. However, they can't withstand cold weather and may wither down during winters. So if you live in a seasonal area, keep them in a portable container to move them indoors as the winter season arrives. The desert rose typically bloom in spring and summer. However, some outdoor desert roses may bloom more often depending on the care and sunlight they receive. Some may even bloom year-round. A typical bloom lasts for nearly 7 days. This flower, it literally bloomed after 2 years of struggle, the care and dedication I put to this plant. And the plant which I have put right here, winters are approaching. Before that I could see that a flower had bloomed, and I'm so happy about it. Also, now the people might think, why are the leaves falling off my desert rose or Adenium plant? Just like other plants, a desert rose may drop its leaves due to stress or a change of environment, also effects which might take some time to recover. Always make sure that your desert rose or Adenium is exposed to sunlight to bloom. Avoid excessive water and feeding and growing it in shade, all of which may result in leaves falling off. Also, as winters are approaching, in winter the leaves will fall off or may not. Because of it, the plant will go into dormancy period. So you need to water less in this time and do not fertilize during this period. So this was for today, as the flower blooms, so I thought I should need to make a video upon it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.